Hey, if you want to improve your UI design skill, stop watching a random tutorials. Instead, start learning from a right designers. Today I'll show you 5 amazing Dribbble studios that can instantly level up your design taste. Whether you are a product designer or maybe a UI beginner or maybe someone who wants to start their own startup. So let's start. The first one is Halo Lab. This Halo Lab is perfect if you want to learn how to use a brand colors properly or maybe to pick a right colors to their products. Notice how the design feels cinematic, more like a movie posters. They add the emotion to this design through the colors and the font they make use of. So their labels are bold, confident, and very startup focused. So if you want to build a product where your products have to stand out, which have to look premium, which have to bring out the boldness in that, I think this is a great profile to check out. Next is Horizon. Horizon is known for the modern and elegant product designs. If you look closely, the typography is extremely clean. They know how to make use of the typography very well, and the font they choose is beautiful. They have this proper weight, spacing, and hierarchy maintained, and their designs are minimal and very powerful. So if you want any design inspirations regards to mobile designs or maybe a web, this is a great inspiration or a reference that you can take. Third one is Plain Thinking Studio. This, as a name says, maybe plain, not too much plain, but they add a lot of focus on the simplicity, which means it's not too much flashy. They're like practical, they're simple, and kind of feels super simple and modern kind of vibe. These are a kind of design that developers can actually build. So whenever I feel stuck in the product design, whenever I want stuck in a design and all, I go through these designs because they have real world UI inspirations. It's a great profile to study. Next is Mixtio. They have this strong modern vibe. Their color combination is excellent. They know how to attract users through their colors. They feel a modern energy. It's like a trendy vibe. They are the great inspiration source. And the final is Origi Studio. Origin Studio is brings a personality into design, which means whenever I want to add a little joyful or a playful, expressive kind of thing to my app, I go through this studio because if you have seen the Duolingo app, they have this character that they make use of that very well, right? So this studio also tells or teaches how to use this illustration and characters very beautifully. Then they smartly use those things. The design, if you want to design an app or anything that has the education or any purpose to draw the attention of users, you can take inspiration from this studio because those are very valuable. And these are the 5 studios that I usually refer whenever I'm feel stuck in a design. And if you feel this is very useful, do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.